welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So this look, I actually posted a picture with this eye look, and I had a ton of you guys request that I film this in a video, so I went ahead and did that. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I like doing blues. I feel like blues and purples really make brown eyes pop, and I just have a lot of fun with it because you're messing with color, but it still looks cute. It's like you're not doing too much, or maybe to some people I might be doing too much, but in my world, I'm not doing enough, not yet. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna cut it short and simple. I'm not gonna talk to you guys too much since some of y'all say I talk too much. So we're just gonna jump right into it and get started, guys. Starting with priming my face, I'm gonna go in with the FentyBeauty Pro Filt'r Primer. Then I'm just priming my lids with the LORAC Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer in the color 2N. Now for my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by Decay Cosmetics, and I'm going to take that White Frost color, and that's what I'm going to use to apply on the inner corners of my lids. Next, I'm going to take this Sky Blue, and that's what I'm going to apply on the middle of my lids. Now I'm going to play with these two darker blues, and that's what I'm going to use on the outer corner of my lid. You just want to make sure that all of these colors are blending together smoothly. Now for the last color, I'm going to go in with that black eyeshadow and just apply a very minimal amount to the outer corner to make it a little bit more smoky. For liner, I'm going to go in with the LORAC Front of the Line liner. Moving on to my face, I'm going to go in with the Dior Forever Undercover foundation in the color 25, and then I'm just going to blend that out with a damped beauty blender. For my highlight, I'm going to go back in with that LORAC Mercier concealer you guys saw me use earlier in the video on my lids. Next, I'm just going to set my face with the LORAC Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just setting the areas that I highlighted with the concealer. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the LORAC Mercier Candle Glow powder in the color number 3, and yes, I be really caked up. Now to contour, I'm going to go in with the Sleek Makeup Face Form palette, and I'm going to take the contour shade in there and use that to bronze up my face a little bit. For blush, I'm going to go in with the Radiant Blush Kit by Anastasia, and I'm going to take the coral and apply that to my cheekbones. For my highlight, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Bronze Stance Edition. I'm going to take the cream and the gold highlighter. You first start with the cream as a base, and then you will go over it with the gold powder highlight. Now to finish up my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Zero Pencil Liner by Urban Decay. And then I'm just smoking it out with the same black eyeshadow you guys saw me put on my lid. And right on the outside of my waterline, I'm just going in with the blues that I have on my lid as well. Now for my inner corner highlight, I'm just extending the same frost shadow I had on my inner lid. Next, I'm going in with the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara by Tarte. For my falsies, I'm going in with the Mykonos Lilly Lashes. Then I'm just gonna let that dry up and move on to my brows, which I'm using the Anastasia Dipbrow in the color medium brown. I really need to get my eyebrows done really bad, so you're gonna see me do my brows a little thicker than I typically do them. For my lips, I'm going in with the Keep It Spicy Lip Liner by LA Girl Cosmetics. Once I'm done lining it, I'm just going to bring in the liner a little bit more into my lips. For my lipstick, I'm going in with the Single Lipstick by Fenty Beauty, and then you just want to make sure all of this is blending together. After this, I'm just going to fix up my hair and we're all set. Thanks for watching, guys.
She makes me